I go fly fishing a lot. And yeah, I catch my share of fish. But that's not what keeps me coming back. It's what happens between the casts. Every trip still starts the same way. Waders, boots, throwing my jacket, grab my rod, walk in, make a few good casts, and settle into the rhythm. But somewhere along the way, the day starts doing something else. I'll notice an eagle before I notice my drift. Elk moving along the hill behind me. The wind, the sounds, things just start to come alive. And suddenly I realize I've been standing there for a while. Not because the fishing stopped, but because something else showed up. I still love catching fish. I always will. But when I think back on my favorite days out here, it's almost never the fish that stay with me. Most of my fishing trips don't end up being just about fishing. They end up being about the entire experience. And thankfully, that's why I keep coming back.